in support of that, so that we can upgrade other smaller levels of hospitals to be able to decongest the level 5s and the level 4 hospitals. Lastly, allow me to say, Your Excellency, health financing in devolution is a nightmare. It's the biggest challenge to us. The Abuja Declaration recommends 15% of all your budget minimum to be spent on health. And I want to tell you, Your Excellency, some counties struggle. Some as low as 5%. So when you see a county like this doing a hospital like this one, I am sure the governor did some magic, because I am briefed that in this hospital facility we do not have a single cent that was given directly to the county apart from the normal allocation of the county government of Kirinyaga, and the tax that is paid by the people of Kirinyaga in the markets, in the hospital and every other place. Ile kodi mumelipa nyinyi ndio imejenga hiyo hospitali. And therefore, when Your Excellency, you are asking for more taxes, I think it's a living testimony, even from the people of Kirinyaga. I don't think there's anybody in Kirinyaga today who will complain about the money they pay at the market at Kagio, that inaenda kupotea, because you have seen when you pay taxes what money can do, which is a very good example. And that is why we're asking our people to support His Excellency the President by paying taxes, members of Parliament by paying, or rather delivering, the finance bill, so that the government can be able to deliver more of this that we are seeing here. Otherwise, mimi nataka kushukuru sana, niseme asanti kwa sababu ya kutuita, and I say once again, Kirinyaga, Governor, and the great people of Kirinyaga, congratulations for having the state-of-the-art hospital today. Thank you very much, and God bless you.